Mega! Ah! 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 There's my 50! Ah! 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 There's my 50! There's my 50! That's her! Oh my God. Where we going? Where we getting ya? Where we going? Of course I had to leave my net at a spot last night. Oh my God, I knew there were gonna be some big fish here. I knew it. I knew they were still here. Pays off, folks. That's like after 4 or 5 days of fishing, she's barely hooked. She's barely hooked on the hook's popping out. Hook's popping out. She's got one in her. She's got one hook. No, baby girl. No, baby girl. Please. Please, I need you. I need you more than anything right now. I'm serious. Do it for me. Oh my gosh, I wish I had that freaking net. Why'd I have to leave it, dude? Mega. Absolute mega. Pop those out real quick. I just got that whopper plopper yesterday. I knew something was gonna happen. I just knew it. I wish I would have had my net. It would have made things easier, but it was all good in the end. She came off good. It was real quick. Got her off real quick. She's back in the water real quick. Look at that mouth. It's a big, mean mama. Oh my gosh. She crushed it. She literally destroyed it. You ready? No, we'll hang on to you for a little bit. Dude, compared to my big one I got last year, I don't know, she's not as chunky, but I mean, I'll take this right here. I'll take it. Quick pre-work muskie for Bradley. Nice job, brother. Use a net, they said.
Right?
Where's your net at, they said.
But it's in the water though, that's the good thing.
There we go. Bradley got one too.
That's the one I seen last night.
You think so?
Yep, right by that rock.
Good stuff,
that's
my
pretty
man.
Cool. Oh, there's a lot of fish, but.
Yep.
There's Greenie.
Okay, hold it right there. She's like 34, 35, my man.
Think so? I don't
Yeah.
think so.
I know so.
I don't think so. But yeah, probably.
Coming down, I'm coming down. Blake's got a muskie on. I'm filming while I'm running him, Blakey.
Not 40, but it's musky.
You said 40. Dude. I had one follow me down there too.
Really?
Yeah, let him go. Hellhound. See ya, honey. That's cool, Tony.
I feel like that's the best thing to do.
D's first muskie in a... Get him down. Good job, D. There we go, buddy.
Right on the money, dude.
Bring him right here. Don't reel, don't reel.
Coolest ever. Wow. That was
Let's go.
D had said 2 seconds ago I must be closing in on 10,000 casts.
no, just smashed it. Smashed it.
Get him nice.
There should be.
Here, I got this side.
There's bigger ones out there.
Oh yeah.
Back into the beautiful,
beautiful.
Wisconsin River.
There we go. Bradley had a hunch, boys.
I had a hunch. It's a big one.
It's nice.
Oh my god.
Keep him going.
Yes.
Dude. Dude.
Yes.
Walter!
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 Oh my god!
Dude, it's a Walter, Bradley. I was gonna say, dude, why is it so... Dude, you gotta get it in. You gotta get that thing in. You gotta get that thing in. You gotta get that thing on.
Crazy hit, dude.
Hey,
it
get the fish.
It stopped my bait.
Get the fish. Keep her down. Right here is perfect.
It stopped my bait. I thought it was a giant muskie when it came out.
It did look big.
It is pretty big.
It's in here. Get it in.
I don't want to pull it too hard. Oh my god, that's a big one.
It might be. I said.
I knew it. I couldn't pull it though.
I know.
Diamonds are forever. They won't leave in the night. I
So
can
hot.
feel that